Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching today. Today I just wanted to share with you these little rosettes wands that I've made. I've seen quite a few of them on several different channels. Everyone kind of has their own little twist that they put to them. There's several different ways that you can make them. So I think I've just kind of come up with my own way just from playing around and seeing what works for me. So I've made mine from some streamers. I just used these white streamers. It's like the crepe paper basically, but just, you know, an easier way to use it on the rolls like this. So I used the white for mine, and I'll show you some here. So here's the one I did. You'll probably notice that you can see pink on there, and I'll tell you how I did that after. But yeah, so here's the first one. In the back I used a little fussy cut rose on that one. Just layered up some of the streamer as I made it into the rosette shape. Put some tulle on there, some extra tulle down here, some ribbon. You can and put it on the gray and well, kind of silver gray and white straws, the paper straws. Yeah, you can kind of bling these up as much as you want. They're just kind of fun to do. Here's another one with the green glitter center. I just used the paper for that. Added a sequin and a little pearl on there. Lots of ribbon and with sparkle. And this one I did the back. So you could, you know, if you're seeing both sides, it looks finished on both sides. So there's that one. This one, I used a little bit of stickle on there to glitter it up. I actually made a little bow that I put on this one. I don't know if you can see it under here. It's a little pink with some silver bow on there. Added that on. And then finished the back like this. And then there's this one. Got a few little pieces of bling on there. Finish the back as well. I added lots of layers on mine. You could do just 1 or 2 layers, or you could layer it up like I've done on here. It's got probably about 4 or 5 layers on this one. And then there's this one, a little smaller one, but kind of done the same way. With the little pearl bling and gemstone on there, the ribbon, and you'll see got a little bit of purple on there. And so I'll show you basically how I kind of did this. So I'll take the streamer and take about 12 inches long, and then I fold it up like so, and just keep folding. You can stop about there, and then I will cut the petal shape like that, and then you're going to open it up and you'll have the nice petal shape like so. And then what you do is you start, well, I should say, took my needle and thread and just started doing a little, oops, there we go, little gathering stitch on here. And I just went along the flat edge and just do the running stitch. And you do that to the end. And then when you get to the end, you're going to gather it all up into the circle shape. You can see how it would kind of come together there. I won't finish it for time's sake, but yeah, so you do that. And then you would get, you know, it looks like this when you're done. And you can always trim these as well with your scissors if you like, if you know, you're not happy with the shape or you want it smaller. And then so what I did is layer you know, several of these together, so that they you know, get a little thicker and they're a little sturdier. So you do that. And then I used on the back, you'll notice or not this one, but which one has it? Yeah, this one. You know, the circle punch, I punched out some circles to put on the back to finish it, and yeah, it just makes it look a little nicer. And then to get the color on the edges, so what I did was take my stamps. I have this color box stamp here with the colors, and I just chose a color that I like, just use the pink or whatever. So I would go like this with one of these foam paint sticks. So just kind of like this, and I'll just kind of show you briefly on here. And then I just kind of went along and brushed the edges of the rosette. And then you just get a nice, you know, a little bit of color. Just, you could do whatever colors you like, whatever ink pads you have. Maybe not black, but some pretty colors. Yeah, so I think those were really fun to make, and they'd be really cute to, you know, put into your Happy Mail packages or into your craft swaps. So I hope you enjoyed seeing these, and hope you give them a try. Thanks for watching today. Bye for now.